Hey, guys. Party birds. Finally made it in. You guys ready to do some trick or treating?
Oh, I am.
Oh,
guess so,
boy.
man.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
I got some presents for you. This one is mine. This one right here.
Oh, Roy, trick or treat pumpkin.
That's trick or treat pumpkin. This
Yeah,
one is
man,
yours.
that's right.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
Fuck, we'll get some
And here
candy.
you go, motherfucker.
What the fuck is this? This is a pink pumpkin.
That's all they had to do. It's all they had to do. You gotta use it. It's all they had in fucking stock, alright? Besides, have you guys even thought about what the fuck you're going as yet?
Oh,
I got an idea.
I don't have a fucking clue, man.
Hey, Otis.
I haven't really thought about what, man.
Fuck you.
Look.
To buy me a pink pumpkin.
It's not my fault about shut the fuck up. I'll tell you what we're gonna do is I got an idea. I got an idea for you. I got an idea.
Even smells gay.
Alright, I got an idea.
Barry, I have found your place you record in. It's actually the place that I record in as well. I used to, right over there. And I'm warning you, Barry, you've been talking a lot of shit about me, saying people summon me out of people's assholes, and you call me some kind of poop fucker or whatever you call me there. I'm sick of that shit. Enough with the insults. I know where you are now, and I'm coming to take your soul. This is your own. Oh, what the fuck? Son of a bitch!
It smells like eternity damn souls in here.
You know what? Fuck it. That don't even look good on you anyway.
So, any ideas what we're gonna be for Halloween?
I think I got a pretty good idea.
I think I got a surprise for y'all. You'll see.
You know, I think I got a pretty good idea too. Something manly, something strong.
So, Otis, what are you supposed to be?
That's pretty obvious, man. I'm a fucking Viking, man.
You know what I am? I'm the king, King Billy, king of all beers. And what the fuck is that supposed to be, Barry? You damn witch.
I'm a fucking warlock. See the beard?
You got the long-haired witch hat.
I'm a fucking warlock. Can't you see the
You
beard?
even got the dress.
Anyway, I see a house right up here. The lights on. Let's go to that.
Candy.
Yay! All right, Otis. You go ahead and take the first one.
All right.
It's all you, buddy.
Yeah. Tricker. Oh, I apologize. Let's go.
That was right on me.
I'm sorry, man. I'm lactose intolerant.
Trick or treat. My name was Billy Bob Tanley. I'm 40 years old and I was abducted by the alien gays 10 years ago. They probed me up the ass.
Yeah, we're with the pet hospital down the street, and I understand you have a dying animal premises. With the pet hospital down the street, and I understand you have a dying animal premises. You have a dying animal premises.
Look,
know.
Billy, we ain't ever gonna get no fucking candy if you keep saying shit like that.
They want candy. Who gives a shit about your candy? The people need to know that alien gays are coming for everybody.
Alright,
Even
shut
the
up,
children.
shut up,
They're
shut
gonna probe your
up. Come the fuck down.
Fuck.
Go on to the next house, damn it. Just go to the next fucking house.
I want
Calm
my
down.
candy though.
Alright, guys, I'm going to show you how it's done, alright? Right here at Gaggins' house, you guys have screwed up everything. Let me tell you something. Gaggins, he has a lot of candy, alright? A lot of candy. I don't know where he gets it all, but I'll tell you right now, I'm going to get some. I'm going to score it right now. Just you wait and see. Bird, 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 bird. Shit. Did not expect that shit. Well, alright, I guess none of us got any damn candy, whatever.
Damn, man.
That damn old Satanist in there, what the fuck? Gaggins needs to get some sort of exterminator or something.
Was man.
I'm fucking done with trick-or-treating. Alright, I'm done.
But I love candy.
That's the
We didn't
scariest
get any
shit I've
fucking
ever
candy,
seen in
Billy.
my whole life, man.
That was, man. It's
Well,
fucking terrifying.
shit, my face.
Well, you know what? We're going now. We're gonna look for this fucking alien. Let's go look for the fucking alien.
That's
all right?
what I'm
I'm done
talking
with the
about.
fucking trick or treat.
People
What you
need to
talking
know
about?
the
You looking
truth.
forward to getting probed?
Look, you people didn't know the truth about alien gays.
Yeah.
I hope I get some more candy.
Now this is the spot I was abducted by the alien gays 10 years ago.
Bunch of bullshit. There ain't no fucking aliens around here. He's just taking us on a fucking wild goose chase.
No, seriously, man, there's fucking aliens, and they did abduct him 10 years ago.
There ain't no fucking what the fuck. You know, I hear Olive Garden's got a deal on that that unlimited stick and that secret soup.
Oh, yeah.
We should go try that out.
Let's go do this.
Sounds pretty good to me, man. I'm
I'm always going to